Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through how to make a fishing sign.
Boop, 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 boop.
I went through my old canvas that I've started and put tons of paint on because I hate wasting paint, and I found these two and they're very similar. I found a stencil.
And it's a fishy.
I think I want to make two signs. This one is going to say, "Catch me if you can." And I think this one is going to have a fish on it with a hook that says hooked.
Jax, you're so original.
Let's just start tracing this out and see what we get. Catch you later.
Later, Gator.
I wonder if I should go even or if I should like angle it up. I was gonna be like, "Catch me if you can," but then I was just like, that's stupid to put on a wall. Nobody's gonna understand that. They're just gonna be like, "You're a really bad fisherman if you're putting that on your wall." And then I was thinking, well, where could you even put this? And you could put this like above the door, next to the door or something, you know what I mean? So it would totally work. My previous projects, that's all I did was the stenciling. I would just go boom, 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 and then I would get so disappointed when it didn't turn out. So now I am using the stencil, but more as an outline so that I can paint it almost like a coloring project, and I don't have to like think so much, you know? And then I've got this finished project and it looks cool and stuff. And ultimately I want to take photos of these and then put them out on my art site so people can buy them as prints. Alright, so now I've got both of these projects. They're stenciled out. This one I have hooked, and I did a capital H but then small case after that because it just wasn't going to fit on here. I suppose it could have went sideways, but whatever. And I got to make a hook here, and I've got to figure out how to color in the fish. I don't really know how to color in the fish or how it's going to work or anything like that, but I'm going to do the best I can.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!